You correct? Yes, the two of you are only the students right here. Have you finished your dinner yet, Bob? Yes, dinner စားပြီးသွားပြီလားသားတို့ Oh, very good, very good. What are you doing? Just Angela, what are you doing? You have the same t-shirt, right? Yes, very good. Cute. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's wait for other friends. Not chatting anything. No? Mhm. So, did you go to the school today? Yeah, okay. Have you got many friends at school? Yeah, how many friends? Huh? 65 student? Really? There's so many students. That's good. Which grade are you in, Da? ตามตามเราเลยตามไปตามเลย grade 1, G1. Okay. So what did you learn for today? What did you learn for today? Okay. Mathematics, English, and Myanmar. Okay, very good. So how many teacher? What's your teacher's name? Yes. Okay. So, okay. What's your school name? What's the name of the school? What is the name of your school? I1MBS. Okay. What are you doing right now? Are you playing with each other? No. So, I1PS. Do you know the long form? No. How many teachers are there in your school? How many? Do you know how many teachers? Many? 26. Very good. Okay. Over 14 teachers. Okay, so that's so how many friends have you got at school? How many friends? Okay. How many friends have you got, Baru? Yes. Okay. So what are your friends' name? You don't know. You don't know the name? Kinchu Salin. Okay. And Pomiagogo. Pomiagogo. What does that mean? 그런 식이에요. Yes. So why are you joining the class so early? ဒါတို့အချိန်တိုက်ရမဟုတ်တာမေ့တယ် Hello Jackson and Nolan. Yes. Okay, let's wait for other friends now. So I am telling the other. So let's listen to some music. No, ဒါတို့ကျန်တဲ့ချင်းထားတာပဲငယ်ချင်းတွေစောင့်ရတယ်နော် Yes, would you like to listen? Okay.